Sewing your projects closed. Once you have stuffed your piece up and you want to close this tiny opening but don't know how, you have come to the right place. First, thread your tail end onto your needle. Next, go into the front loops of each of the stitches. It depends on how many stitches you have. Now I have 6 stitches, but you may have a different number, so like 5, 7, 8, 9, so it's totally fine. And this method applies to any number of stitches. So insert your hook into the front loops, into the front loop like this. So this is my this is my back loop and this is my front loop. So insert the needle into the front loops only of each of the stitches. Now I have 6 stitches, so 1, next front loop, 2, sorry, that was 3, 4, 5, here's our last one, and 6. Once you are done inserting your needle into all of your stitches, close this opening tight, but not too tight, otherwise it could break your yarn. So just watch. It just magically closes. Finally, insert your needle into any stitch that is close to this closed opening and come out anywhere through your project. Alright. Then cut your tail end, and then just stuff this into your piece. Like so. Until it's barely noticeable. Alright, so you have now learned how to close this small opening up.